Are frogs really turning gay because of the chemical in the water, or just another wild conspiracy theory? You have probably heard the infamous claim, they are turning the frogs gay. This statement, popularized by conspiracy theorist Alex Jones, has become a meme and a point of curiosity. But what is the truth behind this claim? Is there any scientific basis to it, or it's just purely fiction? In this video, we are diving into origins of this claim, exploring the science behind it, and separate the facts from fiction. By the end, you have a clear understanding what is really going with frogs and their behavior. The origins of gay frogs claim. The phrase "they are turning the frogs gay" was popularized by Alex Jones, a conspiracy theorist known for his outlandish claims. He alleged that chemicals, specifically atrazine, were being intentionally added to the water supply, causing male frogs to exhibit homosexual behavior. According to Jones, this phenomenon was not limited to amphibians, but also posed a threat to humans, with the implication that similar chemicals could affect human sexuality. This claim gained traction online, becoming a meme and a subject of ridicule. But is there any truth to it? So, atrazine is a widely used herbicide primarily employed in agriculture. Studies have indeed shown that atrazine exposure can lead to hormonal disruptions in amphibians, affecting their reproductive system. Male frogs exposed to atrazine have been observed displaying feminized characteristics, such as reduced testosterone levels and the development of female reproductive organs. However, the leap from scientific findings to assertion that atrazine is turning frogs gay is where the narrative diverges from reality. While there's evidence that suggests that atrazine can influence the sexual development of amphibians, there's no credible scientific support for the notion that it can induct homosexuality in frogs or any other species. Frogs, like many animals, exhibit a range of behaviors that can misinterpreted when viewed through a human lens. For instance, same-sex mounting in frogs is often a result of mistaken identity or dominance behavior rather than sexual preference. Additionally, some frog species have complex mating behavior. For example, the Bombay night frog exhibits a unique mating position called the dorsal straddle, where the male straddles the female without clasping her, releasing sperm on her back, which then trickles down to fertilize the egg. These behaviors highlight the diversity and complexity of amphibian reproduction, which doesn't conform to human notion of sexuality. While atrazine effects on amphibians are concerning, it's essential to understand that these effects are not indicative or deliberate attempt to alter sexual behavior. Environmental pollutants, including endocrine disruptors like atrazine, can have unintended consequences on wildlife. However, attributing these effects to a conspiracy to turn frogs gay oversimplifies and misrepresents the science. Moreover, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency conducted a comprehensive review of atrazine and concluded that it does not adversely affect amphibian gonadal development. So, are frogs gay? Answer is no, at least not in the way humans understand sexual orientations. While certain chemicals like atrazine can affect amphibian development, there's no evidence to suggest that they are causing homosexuality in frogs. Understanding the science behind this claim is essential to separating fact from fiction and preventing the spread of misinformation. So, thank you for listening. So, you gotta understand that frogs are not gay. Thank you for listening.